Pencil, and welcome back to my channel. We are on question number 8 in this LeetCode adventure that we're going on. This is going to be done in Python. Sorry, my brain is trying to look at this at the same time. I'm not going to read this question. At the end of the last video, I went over here and I read this twice. So I think I know what I should do here, but the summary is that we want to implement this function, and that converts something to a 32-bit signed integer. So, oh no, it's do not ignore any characters other than the leading white space or the rest of the string after the digits. Okay, so I know how I kind of want this to start. I say that every time. I want to remove the leading white space here. So ignore any leading white space. This is the third line down. I want to remove that. So S is going to be S L strip. That's how we're getting rid of that white space. Then I want to see if the string is empty after removing the white space, and if it is, we'll return 0. So we're going to make this simple. So if the length of the white space equals 0, then return 0. Okay. Next, let's check to see if the string is empty. Well, no, we did that. We did check to see if that was empty. And so after it's empty, we want to check the first character of the string. But we want it as, I think, a plus or minus. Yeah, a plus or minus. And if it is, we need to determine the sign. 1 for plus and -1 for negative. And then remove the signed character from that string. Yeah, okay. So we should do this as an if-else, I think. So I think we should do if S 0, and then do plus, and then or S 0, and then we'll do negative. Then we're going to sign it -1 if S is equal to negative else 1, right? And then we will use this to remove the sign character, and then else, oops, sign 1. Yeah. So we should probably, okay, so we did that to see if it's plus or minus. So we need to iterate these remaining characters through the string and then convert them. So we need to convert the digits. Okay, hold on. Everyone hold. So convert the digits until a non-digit character is encountered. So, so what if, so let's multiply the current number by 10 and adding the digit value to it. So if we iterate the remaining characters of the string and convert them to an integer until we encounter a non-digit character, then we multiply it. We multiply the current number by 10 and adding the digit value to it. Then, okay, so we should do it for if else. So we should say for, actually no, we should do num 0 and then do for character in S if character is digit. That means num equals num times 10 plus integer character, else break. Nice. Then the last thing, okay, so after we convert it, we should apply that sign to the resulting number, and then we'll handle the integer overflow. Oh, there's Jojo. Screaming. It's my cat. Handle the integer overflow in the same 32-bit range like we did in the previous question. So we'll do the 2 times 31 minus 1. And we need to use max and min. So let's start with saying the num equals sign. And then we'll say num equals max, and then min num. Because then if we do this, then we can return num, and then that will be like the resulting number. So 2, 1 minus 1, that's our 32-bit integer. I feel like, oh, I need to do the negative, that's what I'm thinking. The -2. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll return num. Okay, so that will return the resulting number. And if you haven't had a chance to read this question, please do. Like I said, I read it a couple times, so I think I did this right. We're about to check. Oh, I did. Okay, she's a little smart up here. With words. I love that. Okay, so let's submit and see if we can get this party started. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Could be way worse. Let's look at some of these solutions. Okay, Python beats 99%. Let's see what you got. Okay, so they did the same thing with removing that white space. Basically said if not S, return 0, right? Makes sense. And then they did, okay. Check integer overflow, right. Okay, so that's, I like what they did here. Let's look at a couple more. This feels very similar to mine, so I feel like we would get along. Let's look at the easy solution. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Let's look at this one. Okay, so we're moving white, sign 1. Okay, good. Okay, this is really similar. Okay, but they did length S, and they didn't, oh no, yeah, okay. Oh, and they did range instead of, okay, different solution, different strokes, different folks, right? Beats 100% of submissions. Better do a strip before sanity check. I need that on a shirt. So they basically reversed this and this here, and did something similar. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's what I have for this. I will get this uploaded to GitHub, and you guys can feel free to clone or fork it and change it and make it better or make it worse. I don't really care. As long as you're learning and having fun and powering through some of these LeetCode problems, that's all that matters. I will see you guys in the next video, number 9, the palindrome number. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.